America's driving needs have changed. We could use a whole new way to get around. A magic wagon that carries 2 passengers and a big load, or 5 passengers and a smaller load. Or would you believe an option for 7? It's the Plymouth Voyager, the magic wagon.
When the Plymouth Voyager was released in 1984, it filled a huge void in the market that no one even realized was there. The boomers were having big families, and people put great value in economic vehicles as they moved past the recession-torn 70s. And to date, over 13 million Chrysler minivans have been sold.
A wagon so versatile, so right for America today, we can't build enough.
The minivan's influence on our culture is vast.
Is this your ride? Yeah, check this out.
Think about the sense of community generated by soccer moms sharing rides to practice. An entire generation of Americans grew up in the back seats of minivans. And it all started with this Plymouth Voyager.